how to save Twitter videos to your iOS or Android devices gallery with this tutorial. To begin, open the Twitter app on your device and locate the video you wish to save to your gallery. Here, I'm just using a random video just to show you. But once you've found your video that you want to download, click on the share button. Copy the video link from the options provided. Exit the Twitter app and launch a web browser on your device, such as Chrome if you're on Android. In the search bar, type Twitter Video Downloader. Click on the first website from the search. As you can see, it says SSS Twitter. So I am clicking on that and it will give you a bar to paste your link. Paste the copied link into the bar and click the download button. Next, choose your preferred resolution from the options provided. Choose HD or the highest option and the video will start downloading. And that is how you save Twitter videos. If you like the video, make sure you are subscribed and I will see you on the next one.